We'll talk about large language model, their use cases, how these model works, the prompt engineering, and how to make creative text outputs and outline a project lifecycle for generative AI. Given your interest in this course, it is probably safe to say that you had a chance to try out generative AI tool like here, wherein you are using ChatGPT to get proper output of a particular text-based task. Also, there is an opportunity to create images using the different AI tools that you have. This is one of the ways where you can have already tried how to do these things, whether it may be generating image or text or video. Now we have something called as Sora that is generating your videos as well. So now coming to how these things are being generated, there are large language models that work behind the scenes. When I say these are the size of the bubbles are according to the different size of the parameters. So there are different videos in this course where we talk about the features and the characteristics of large language models, and parameters being one of them. So BERT being the smallest and the Bloom being the biggest, that is here, that you can see. These foundation models, we call them, with billions of parameters, exhibit emergent property beyond language alone, and research are unlocking their ability to break these complex tasks, reasons, and problem solving capability. We and you can see this collection, more the parameters, more the sophistication, and more the memory that is there. As we speak, the models are getting more and more improved. Right now we have GPT 4.5, wherein you are able to have more parameters and bigger training data sets and more accuracy that is there. Now coming to some of the terminologies that you need to understand how to use these large language models. Any large language model that is there, you can communicate to them. So as an end user, you are going to write a prompt. Like in this case here, you are writing, where is Ganymede located in the solar system? And this is a context window, typically a few thousand words depending upon the large language model. The biggest one right now is Anthropic, and you might have heard about Gemini 1.5, which has 100k context windows. So these are the prompts. So what you are asking for is going to go inside the model, and then the output that comes in, as you can see, this where is Ganymede located in solar is going to go inside the tool itself. The prompt is passed to the model, and the model then predicts the next word. And because your prompt contains a question, this model will generate an answer. The output of the model is called as a completion. An act of using this model to generate text is also known as inference. So remember this word. The output of model is called the completion, and the act of using the model to generate a text is known as inference. This is a very important terminology people will use, so you need to understand this. The completion is comprised of the text containing the original prompt, that where is Ganymede located in the solar, followed by an answer. You can see that this model did a great job on answering the question. It was able to understand the what is the question about the moon, and give you a very descriptive answer. You will see a lot of examples of prompts and completion in this style throughout the course, but this is the basics of you to understand how does large language model incorporate in the whole generative AI space, and the whole prompt and the prompt techniques that we are going to discuss is going to be based on these basic principles. See you in the next video.